Introducing the AED+ First Aid Emergency Response Bag, your all-in-one solution to first aid. Your bag combines your AED unit with 8 individual modules. Your bag comes equipped with a wall mount, so you're able to hang your AED unit to stay visible at all times. Your AED bag has a shoulder strap and back straps. The bag comes with a large window. This large window can give you access to your AED to make sure that your AED is in working order at all times. As you open up your AED unit, you'll find on the AED module side straps to hold your AED. These straps are easy to open to grab your AED for quickness. It's also easy to put your AED back and strap it back in place. On the module compartment side, you have 8 individual modules that open up to get to what you need. These modules hold all in place with CPR, bleeding control, burn care, AED first aid response. As you open up the bag, you have eye care, heat stress, bloodborne pathogen, and wound care. Everything all placed in your bag. Be ready, stay equipped, and save lives with your AED+ First Aid Emergency Response Bag by First Aid Only.